Hey, and look at what we got today. Nice warm 71 degrees, but 24-mile-per-hour winds. Can't win for losing. Oh my gosh. But so far, we've had a quarter of an inch of rain for the week. That's pretty interesting. And 40.44, almost a half an inch for the year. That's pretty good. And we're expecting some more come Wednesday and Thursday, so we'll see. I gotta pause you for a minute and step outside in the wind. So everybody's out here finishing up on their supper, and the winds are blowing. I hope it's not bothering you too much. I left my stupid little wind-resistant microphone inside, but we won't be over here very long. See the nice shiny piece on my tank? It came in today, so I got it on there. Now I gotta take this one in and get it filled. And then I'll get that one in there and I'll be in good shape. So, the other day when I came in and I thought I smelled some propane, it was this fitting right here. I just needed to give it just a little tweak tightness. It's a flare fitting, so I looked in the instructions also, and the instructions say the only place the Teflon tape, the yellow Teflon tape that they sent with the kit goes is here. It says don't use it here, don't use it here. Don't use it here, don't use it here. The only place it goes is there. So, it's done right, it's working right, and I don't smell propane anymore. So if I get my third tank filled up and set into place here, I'll be in good shape. That's what I'm looking forward to. Alright, so, hi Cloudy Day, how you doing there, girl? You're a good girl, aren't you? And Blackie. Alright, and there comes Limpy. And Diogi. Everybody's here. Midnight and the Poopies are finishing up what was left behind on the table. So, remember I was mentioning that I was thinking about adding what they call a trailer mule for moving trailers around. I was thinking about adding one on here and putting a seat right there, taking that box off and moving it someplace else. I'll have a seat there, and then I can sit on there and control the steering that steers out like this, and use this thing for a get-around cart. So I've been online looking up different things and what my alternatives would be, and the money is ridiculous. And the ATV that somebody stole from me a bunch of years ago, right here off of the compound, my Honda 400. I was looking at it, and they have those listed on used ATVs for sale. And that thing's still going for $7,000. It was $10,000 when I bought it way back in 2004, but hasn't lost much value over the years here. So anyway, here's what I came up with. I have these two wheels and these two L bolts, and they work good for axles. All I have to do is drill right through the threads right there and put a cotter pin in, so, or yeah, cotter pin will probably be best, so it doesn't vibrate loose and come loose. And then I got this extra ball hitch that I could use, and then I just set that piece of metal there, but this piece would be the where the axles would weld in underneath this. And then I'm thinking that I got that other channel right there. If I cut it off the length and put it pivoted on here, but going backwards so that it goes under the main tongue of the trailer and put a U-bolt on it so I can, with wing nuts, so I can lock it down. That will give it sturdiness and keep it from wanting to flex forward and backward as I'm driving. So the thing is that I looked up small horizontal shaft gasoline engines on Harbor Freight, and all of them say not available in my area, not available in my area, not available in my area. And I think that's because of the idiot that we have called, that some people call their governor. I call him the, well, let me not say that. This is a family channel, so I won't tell you what I actually call him. But anyway, yeah, he's screwed this whole state up. And he's made, well, we're in the dark. The winds came up. So he just screws things up, and he's made it like illegal for small gasoline engines. I don't know if I'll ever be able to buy any here in California. I might have to go to Arizona or Nevada and buy one. That would really aggravate me. Or I have to wait for him to get voted out so that we can go back to normal. So we got some clouds moving in, and that's a good sign that there's weather on the way. The Skyriders were working hard all day today. So what else did I do here? I think that was about it. I was cutting some firewood for my neighbor. I think I need to cut her some more because she did mention that she was running a little bit low. But it's not been getting really cold at night, so I don't know if she's used up the firewood I gave her already. So I'll cut some more up just in case. It's a good thing to do tomorrow. I'm hoping the winds die down tomorrow so I can do my laundry and don't have to worry about my clothes ending up in the next county while they're drying. So that's about all I got. As you can see, we're all wrapped up here. I got, those bags are all full of recyclables, except for that one that's full of empty dog food bags. And I got another one of those in the cabin. And I got a neighbor that usually takes those, and he has a big dump trailer that once it's full, he takes to the dump. And he lets me throw a couple of bags like that in there. So they're not heavy. They don't cost them any hardships by moving those. Oh, I got this tractor seat right here. I think would be the perfect seat for the trailer unit over there. And then take the board off of it. I put that on because I had it bolted down inside the van for a while. But that'll work great for the seat on that thing. And then I have some aluminum diamond plate that I showed you once before I was going to use to make a sluice box. And I can put a nice foot panel or floor panel down on the bottom, so if rocks kick up or anything like that, and dirt off of the wheels, it doesn't kick into my face while I'm riding. So I'm not so enthused about having to do all that work on that thing, but if I'm going to have anything to ride on here in the future, I think that's going to be my best bet. The only problem is getting a hold of a motor that I can use for it. Now, I do have a couple of electric motors here, and I could set it up with a LifePro 4 battery, but that won't give me a lot of mileage. I won't get a lot of mileage out of it, but I probably could do that and then use my other Harbor Freight trailer, the 4x8, to put the 4x4 on. And that one's the 4x8 is street legal. So I could haul this to the location that I'm going to use it at. then park the van and trailer wherever I am, and then take this thing off and go do my prospecting. And I could also use this just around the property here, or just going up through the desert up to the mountains up there and doing prospecting in the hills. I know that this is a run, north and south run, right through those mountains that run all the way up. You can see them all the way up there. And wherever there's mountains that have good rock, even those over there, there's been gold found in all of those mountains. It's what quantity of gold you get from the different locations that makes the difference. But you get up there, all you do is, I use the My Land Matters app so I can check to see if it belongs to anybody, and if it's BLM, then I can go out there and do my thing. So anyway, that's about it. Got to get some water for the dogs here. It looks like they drank up everything they've got. And there's another pan over there on the end of the porch. And the winds are getting stronger, so I'm going to shut this down. Thanks for joining me, everybody. This is G-Bear, signing off. So I accused my girlfriend of putting glue on my rifle collection. She denied it, but I'm sticking to my guns.